Guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a community on Reddit. So let's get started. You need to open your Reddit app. When you open your Reddit app, you need to come to this your profile icon here. Click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, you're going to see create a community. Click on create a community and you have to give your name and describe to help people understand what your community is all about. So I'm going to write content creator 1992. Okay, so I need to put underscore here. And then we'll return number underscore. So I think that one is okay. So description. Just make sure you tell them about what you're doing. I help you create. And just put something there. Once you're done, click on next. Once you click on next, what you need to do is you should start your community. You can say add avatar. So I'm going to add an avatar now. Okay, I can click on next for now. Now choose the community topics. I'm going to take filmmaking, click on design. I'm going to click on photography, click on next, and click on public, then click on next. And your community is being creating. It's very fast. You're going to see our community that is created now. So let me show you how it is and how it will look like. You can see the community is being created, so let's wait for it. So I think it's network. Just wait for it. Once this create finish is going to pop out. I think so. So let's wait. The network is not doing well. Sorry guys for that. So guys, once you click on next, it's going to create your community for you. So guys, find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.